Where are we going? Right, so we are going on a UK road trip. Bit of an adventure. Can't believe this place is actually in the UK. Can't wait to show you guys. Got us having a little bit of a roadblock situation.
Lot of traffic. Car park closed, I paid for parking. Not bad timing, 2.5 hours with a little pit stop for food, and we're here now. It's 1:30. Just make sure when you come into the car park you're adamant that you've booked a premium parking. Otherwise, when the normal car park gets full, they send you to the one which is at the top of the hill, and then you have to climb 40 to 50 minutes down. So just be a bit adamant with the security guard that you have premium parking, and then you'll have a small hike.
First impressions.
Beautiful.
So we're now hiking up this hill to get some epic drone shots.
Oh.
The things you gotta do, eh?
Yeah, to get the perfect picture.
Ooh, it's hard as anything. You okay there, my pumpkin?
Yeah, sweating a little bit, but you know, cooling down a little bit.
That wasn't too bad, it was like
It's
10
alright.
minutes.
It's just steep. That's all it is. It's like 10-15 minutes, but really, really steep.
Let's look at them sweat. Oh yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, I miss this.
I miss it too.
So, Elfman needed a poo.
Oh, did I need a poo now?
Yeah. What did you do? Can you open the bag for us and just show everybody what happened? Oh, I had an explosion! Why can't you just wait?
It's Lindt chocolate.
No. Found yourself a nice little quiet spot over there, didn't you? Would you ever got some toilet roll with me?
When nature calls.
Oh, look at these. Having a party here, aren't they?
In the sweet despair, I find something true that I like. I won't stress you, dear. I know that you made up your mind. Pretending that nothing has changed.
Oh, I think it's coming.
Nice little picnic spot right here.
Beautiful.
What have you got?
A chicken salad.
Lovely. Got myself a cheese and onion pasty. Need to keep ourselves hydrated after the lady just got lifted in an air ambulance because she didn't keep herself hydrated, did she?
Nope.
That's what we were told. Hiya. Hello.
Yep.
Don't try this with her fan because he almost.
Hit those people, I don't know how. Yay!
Yeah, lovely day.
Lovely, lovely, lovely.
Absolutely amazing. Durdle Door, aka Jurassic Coast.
Jurassic Coast.
Definitely worth a visit.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, where are we? We're in Dorset.
Dorset.
Yeah, lots of signs for Dorchester. But now, on our way home, 2 hours and 16 minutes.
Continue on Wareham Road.
Au revoir.